I just talk because you know the new rule in the resto,
Ay, oo. Ano?
no styro.
No styro.
It's not just only in
Makati.
yeah, it's all Makati
Oo, kasi this
because have the warning from government,
government.
and I have penalty also 1,000 this day.
Every day?
This day,
This day?
1,000.
1,000.
Yeah. That's why I talk with you also. All be careful. I don't know why cannot use the styro. Maybe you already know. You tell me na lang why. If me, maybe because if you so many hot the food, maybe have contamination the styro. Sometimes if you like fried egg, so hot the oil can the styro melted also. Maybe like that. If me, but I don't know. Maybe have your government,
Yeah, maybe also the government also like that.
that's why they have penalty. I talk to the Al Kitchen, and I already have 2 times complain about OOT.
Pero naubos naman kanina kain.
Oo. Yung kayo ng tanghali?
Sa kita mo nagdiwa ng gulay, hindi iwasan din yun. Pasan ko yun. Wala naman ako nakita mo na. Saan ka nagaling?
In the morning.
Di ba konti na tira din? Konti na natira?
The first, I have catering, and the
Ikaw rin nang iwa ng
second,
cauliflower. Ay, ikaw, Brian, nang iwa cauliflower.
Wala, naku kayo wag gulay dyan?
No, catering kayo.
Kailan?
Yung chapso yung...
Night shift.
Ayam ba yun?
No complain.
Chapso.
I just know, put the cauliflower in the morning.
Complain, I kill.
See the ood.
Yeah, you cannot see because the oat very small inside the
Makikita mo na lang yung paglumutang na.
Ayun nga.
Parang yung tayo ko yun, no? Chapsoy din ni Uncle Orle. Bakit? May uod din.
maybe better like that, Maybe you already know all. Oat, if you anything all the vegetable, if you already cut, you first in the container and you give salt na lang.
Salt?
Yeah, salt, garam, asin, and you stirring with your hand and maybe oat to get out, come out. So come here, wait.
Yung ka rin.
You're late, No problem.
You stand up only there, right?
No problem. I talk with Karina, Lloyd, and Brian because every day sometime Brian, Lloyd, and Karina to helping the cook to preparation, and Kevin also maybe you have yung, be careful about the all vegetable, and Ateros, S, and me, we ask also be careful if want to cook, don't ask
Sir ko niyan.
maybe better check first. It's just only simple, but if very busy, sometimes you not look like that. That's why we corporate all about the all vegetable.
Third.
Yun lang.
Third, sir?
Yeah.
May sleep.
Bibi, wag
Okay.
matulog.
You have problem or not in the kitchen? All.
Walang problema, hindi ako robot.
Huh?
Hindi naman kami robot. Hindi naman robot, sir, na pagka... Hindi robot, sir. Dapat slow lang.
Slowly but surely.
Oo.
Yeah, I know. I just asked you have problem or not in the kitchen.
No problem.
Huh?
I have a problem. Always banger.
Huh? Okay. Okay, it's okay. This man
Renovate.
all renovate, not just on the resto, all staff also.
Also,
Yeah,
how many weeks, sir? 1 week?
1 week.
1 week?
Yeah,
This coming Oh,
until end of month.
Andy, talk to me, last night
What?
I renovate the kitchen
Yeah, this renovate because if just only 3 days, the cement not hard. That's why need 1 week for the sing.
1 week for renovation?
Yeah.
Ay!
No work, no pay.
Sarap buhay! Yun ang sarap buhay.
Tanti na niya.
Work no pay ah.
You know,
Easy.
yakit to.
Oh, like that. Sarap
Yeah,
buhay.
is the letter na lang. First,
Yeah.
and we and our staff, last Mariana meeting with all, 50% report from me.
Yeah.
And this month, end of this month, the owner want to ask the report all anybody. That's why I ask you first, a problem or not, or you have suggest for the better in the kitchen or anything. That's why I
All
thought
problem in the
maybe I thought all is good, is no problem. The owner okay na. But before I talk with her, all the owner, I ask you first, a problem or not. Maybe you already boring or have already something
All
happen.
problem in the kitchen.
What?
Very small,
Yeah,
small space.
is already long
So,
time
nag-aircon.
the problem.
The dishwashing area.
Sa ano kasi
Oo, exhaust.
That's why I can already talk this
If
month.
many water floor, you not focus in your cooking because slide.
Yeah, I know. If